Manufacturing overhead. The third manufacturing cost category is manufacturing overhead, and it's the most complex one. Manufacturing overhead includes all manufacturing costs that are not direct materials and not direct labor. It's essentially the catch-all for everything else that's required to produce the product but can't be directly traced to individual units. For Pikes Peak pottery, manufacturing overhead includes depreciation on the kilns, electricity to fire them, the factory supervisor's salary, rent on the production space, maintenance on equipment, and indirect materials, things like kiln wash, wire cutting tools, and sponges used in production that are too minor to trace to individual pieces. You'll notice two types of indirect costs within overhead. There are indirect materials, small materials used in production that aren't worth tracing to individual units, and there are indirect labor costs, like a supervisor, a maintenance worker, or a quality inspector whose time isn't tied to a specific piece. All of it, indirect materials, indirect labor, and every other manufacturing cost that doesn't fit the direct categories, rolls into manufacturing overhead. Because it can't be traced directly, overhead gets allocated to products using a predetermined rate. We'll explore that process in depth in Chapter 2.